Good morning, Mr. Daly. This is Chris Blazer here at Tameron Hyundai. It was so good speaking with you this morning. I wanted to show you one of the Elantra value additions that we have here on our lot. These are fantastic cars. They have our LED running lights, wraparound lights, premium alloy wheels, our front collision assist, as well as our blind side detection. Let's take a look on the inside. You have Bluetooth capability. These have heated seats and even a sunroof, along with our Apple CarPlay and Android Autoplay. But the best thing about our vehicles is our 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty. We also have a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, exclusively at Tameron, we actually double that to 20 years, 200,000 miles. My number is 205-907-4729. Give me a call. Let's set up a time to come here in about a week and a half. Drive up from Auburn. I promise you won't be disappointed.